Welcome to Kyoto, a city steeped in centuries of history and culture. Join us as we embark on a journey through time to discover the places that have shaped Kyoto's rich and storied past. Our first stop is the Kyoto Imperial Palace, once the residence of Japan's imperial family for over 1,000 years. With its majestic architecture and meticulously landscaped gardens, the palace offers a glimpse into the grandeur of Japan's imperial past. Follow us as we wander through the corridors of power and unravel the secrets of Kyoto's ancient rulers. Next, we journey to Nijo Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its stunning architecture and historic significance. Built in the early 17th century, this imposing fortress served as the seat of power for the Tokugawa shogunate, whose legacy can be felt in every stone and timber of its elaborate structures. No visit to Kyoto would be complete without a pilgrimage to Kiyomizudera Temple, one of Japan's most beloved cultural treasures. Dating back to the 8th century, this sacred site offers breathtaking views of the city below and is renowned for its majestic wooden stage, which juts out over a precipice, symbolizing the Buddhist concept of impermanence. Did you know that the main hall of Kiyomizudera Temple in Kyoto was constructed entirely without the use of nails? The temple's architectural marvel, known as the Kiyomizu stage, was built using a traditional method of interlocking wooden joints, allowing the structure to withstand earthquakes for over 400 years. This remarkable feat of engineering reflects not only the skill of the craftsmen who built it, but also the enduring strength and resilience of Japan's cultural heritage. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any of our future adventures. Our journey continues to Fushimi Inari Taisha, a shrine dedicated to the god of rice and prosperity. Here, thousands of vibrant torii gates form a mesmerizing tunnel of crimson, leading visitors on a spiritual pilgrimage through the lush forests of Mount Inari. Join us as we ascend the mountain, pausing to admire the panoramic views and reflect on the spiritual significance of this sacred site. Did you know that Fushimi Inari Taisha in Kyoto is famous for its thousands of torii gates? But it's also home to hidden miniature shrines called omeri along its winding paths. These small shrines are tucked away in the forested hills of Mount Inari and offer visitors secluded spots for quiet reflection and prayer. Exploring these hidden omeri adds an extra layer of discovery to to the already enchanting experience of walking through the torii-lined paths of Fushimi, Inari, Taisha. Our journey continues to Kinkaku-ji Temple, also known as the Golden Pavilion, a breathtaking masterpiece of Zen architecture and design. Adorned in shimmering gold leaf and set amidst a meticulously landscaped garden, this iconic structure exudes an air of timeless elegance and spiritual splendor. Originally built in the 14th century as a retirement villa for a shogun, Kinkaku-ji Temple was later converted into a Zen Buddhist temple. Today, it stands as a testament to Japan's rich cultural heritage and serves as a beacon of tranquility and contemplation for visitors from around the world. As our journey through Kyoto's historic sites comes to an end, we're reminded of the timeless wisdom and beauty that permeate every corner of this ancient city. Join us again as we continue to explore the wonders of Kyoto, where history and tradition converge to create an unforgettable experience. And remember, keep exploring, stay curious, and always keep the traveler mindset on.